everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of Clickbait, a brand new show on cybersecurity brought to you by IT Voice. I am Avishka Thadani presenting the show to keep you informed about the latest threats and trends in cybersecurity, helping you stay secure online. So buckle up, get curious, and let's clickbait together the safe. First up, India's new cybersecurity rule. Report cases within 6 hours. Are you ready? Ever been a victim of cyber fraud? Well, India's new cybersecurity rule is here to make reporting incidents faster and more efficient. The Department of Telecommunications has notified new guidelines requiring all cybersecurity incidents, whether hacking, data breaches, or online frauds, to be reported within 6 hours. Now, why the rush? The idea is to enable authorities to take swift action and curb cyber threats before they escalate. Telecom operators, internet service providers, and tech firms will have to comply with this rule, ensuring faster response times to cyber attacks. But what does this mean to you? If you're affected by a cyber crime, expect quicker intervention from the authorities, which could help prevent major financial or data losses. The government is also focusing on strengthening India's cybersecurity infrastructure to tackle rising digital threats. So next time when you come across a cyber issue, report it fast, because now speed matters. Now, hackers allegedly selling Honda car owners' data. But are you affected? In a worrying cybersecurity breach, hackers are allegedly selling sensitive data belonging to Honda car users, raising concern over user privacy and security. According to reports, the stolen data includes customer names, addresses, contact details, and even vehicle identification numbers. The data leak could expose Honda customers to risks such as identity theft, phishing scams, and unauthorized vehicle tracking. Cybersecurity experts believe that this breach may have originated from an unsecured database or a vulnerability in Honda's system. While Honda has yet to confirm the breach officially, affected users are advised to stay alert. If you own a Honda, be cautious of unsolicited calls or emails asking for personal details. Enabling two-factor authentication on related accounts and monitoring financial transactions can also help prevent a fraud. Now we have India faces the most cyber attacks from hacktivists. Here's why it matters. India has emerged the top target for activist attacks, with cybersecurity firewalls being breached more frequently than any other country. According to recent data, hacktivists, cyber criminals with political or ideological motives, are increasingly targeting government agencies, financial institutions, and critical infrastructure. Experts attribute this surge to geopolitical tension, digital expansion, and gaps in cybersecurity defenses. These cyber attacks often involve distributed denial of service attacks, data breaches, and website defacement aimed at disrupting operations and making political statements. The government is stepping up its cybersecurity game with stricter regulations, real-time monitoring, and investment in AI-driven security solutions. However, organizations and individuals must also stay vigilant. Regular software updates, stronger passwords, and multi-factor authentication can help prevent potential breaches. Then, why cybersecurity is key to India's next banking revolution? India's digital banking sector is booming, with UPI, AI-driven services, and fintech innovation leading the charge. But with this rapid growth comes an urgent need: stronger cybersecurity. As cyber threats evolve, protecting user data and financial transactions have never been more critical. The rise of Gen AI in banking is revolutionizing customer interaction, fraud detection, and automation. However, it also opens new doors for cyber criminals, making banks vulnerable to sophisticated phishing scams, AI-generated fraud, and deepfake threats. Experts stress that cybersecurity must be embedded at the core of India's financial ecosystem. With billions of digital transactions happening daily, any security lapse could mean huge financial losses. The government and financial institutions are ramping up with efforts, AI-driven security measures, and real-time fraud detection, as well as stricter regulations. Last but not the least, AI cybersecurity startup Neural Defend secures $600K in pre-seed funding. Neural Defend, an AI-driven cybersecurity startup, has raised $6 lakh in a pre-seed funding round, marking a significant step in its mission to revolutionize digital security. This funding will be used to enhance its AI-powered threat detection system, expand its team, and scale operations. With cyber threats becoming more sophisticated, Neural Defend aims to provide businesses with real-time threat analysis, automated defense mechanisms, and predictive security solutions. The startup's AI technology helps organizations detect vulnerabilities before they can be exploited, making cybersecurity more proactive than reactive. Investors are showing growing interest in AI-driven security solutions as traditional methods struggle to keep up with evolving cyber attacks. The funding round reflects confidence in Neural Defend's potential to disrupt the cybersecurity landscape. As cyber risks continue to rise, AI-based defense mechanisms could be the key to a safer digital world. Is this the future of cybersecurity? Neural Defend is certainly betting on it. Thanks for joining us on Clickbait. We have covered some critical cybersecurity news today. What are your thoughts on these developments? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Let's build a strong cybersecurity community together. Like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.